Today we're going to talk about a best management practice called Swath Offset. Now, Swath Offset comes in handy when you have any type of wind during your application, which is almost always, right? So it goes like this. If we have a target application field, such as this, and we have an adjacent field, such as this, that may have a sensitive downwind crop into it, then here is our target field, and this one will be our adjacent field here. Let's say that we have a wind coming across from this direction right here. So this will be our wind. So typically what would happen is you would make your first pass one swath from the downwind edge of the field down here. So let's say we have a swath of 20 feet. We would actually be at 10 feet from the edge of field. So right here, right? And then we'd make this first pass right along the edge to make sure we cover all this material before start working our way across the field upwind. But what happens is with a wind like this, something happens called spray displacement, and it looks like this. If we have a graph of our pattern, typically without the wind it'd be something like this, but then when we have a wind from this direction here, it displaces our pattern to like that. And so now we have a good bit of our material possibly going into our adjacent field, right? So this would be kind of the center of the pattern without wind, and then with wind, it moves it over a certain amount. So with a lot of testing we've done with spray drift, different drones and application equipment, what typically happens is we end up needing to offset our spray pass by about one swath, or in this case, maybe 20 feet, whatever that one swath would be. But it really depends on the nozzles that you're using, the drone, the application height, maybe even your speed. But in general, nice terms, it's about one swath. So what we'd like to do for our application in this target area is move upwind by one full swath, let's say 20 feet or so. So instead of making our first pass at 10 feet, we would move up to 30 feet into our field to make that first pass. And then what that's going to do is going to allow our spray to be deposited in the field and not in this adjacent sensitive crop. So by using this best management practice of Swath Offset, this will help you become a better remote pilot and aerial applicator.